highs in J period. We were running the C period highs in J period. We're going to try to take a short up here. Alright, let's take the 04s. Short 2 at 13.04. I was trying to produce a snippet and saw the J period run back up from the 96 area. Our first exit, of course, is 13.0275. We ticked down to 3, but didn't quite get filled. Once we get filled at 75, we'll put our stop in at 04 and look for our, there's 75s. See if we can get the 50 tick to get filled. Yeah, there's the 50 tick. And we'll put our stop in at 13.04. And our target is 5 points away, so 12.99 will be our target on the second contract. So we sold two at 13.04. We bought one back at 2.75 for our point and a quarter. We put our stop in at 13.04, and our target for our second off is 12.99, 5 points below our entry there at 04. We took the 04s quickly because we saw this cross trade a lot less than 1200 to 900. So you have to be quick though, and of course you have to be aware that when you're doing market orders you get slippage, a tick or two. Alright, we just got stopped out at 13.04, so we made a point and a quarter on that. Boy, this looks like a nice area to be short. I'd like to get short again. See how the retest, what it looks like up here. As the last buyer bought, we're looking for some sign that there's passive orders up here. Okay, we're in the B tail now, taking out the intraday J highs. The closing range of Friday was end period. End period low was the 07s. Oh, I might have missed that trade. Let's see if we can take the 5s. Now people are starting to hit the bid. Alright, let's take the 550s. Alright, we are short 2 at 550. And we'll look to better our position up here by 2 or 3 points. Well, actually, we'll make it 4 points. 4 points. Yesterday's close is 13.10, so that could be a target. If we get up to 13.10, that's 5 points above where we are. That's a little bit of a stretch. I might have had my eye on the close too late. That might have been a good target. We do see some cross trade up here at the 06s. We're going to stand tight with the 05s, and if we get up to the, we're in Friday period's end range now. Like I say, the end low was 07, and the close was 975. So if we get up into the 975 area, we'll look to better the position. I also just realized that the B period high today already closed the gap from yesterday's close. And the B period went into the VWX period of the Globex. So this 07 area might be the last hurrah. We'll look to better our position here. Let's see, they're pushing it up toward the close again. Now if we get as high as the B period high, that's 13.11, we could take the stops out at 13.12, 13.13. That's 8 points above where we have our 13.05 short. That's would be an early position if in fact it's, well, it is an early position. I wouldn't like to carry it up that high though. I would like to better the position in the eights though. We're not in yet. Let's take the 8 1/4s. Short two more at 8 1/4. Okay, 0685 is our out for even on all contracts. Our target now is to buy 3 back at 1305. That will break us even on the first two and give us a 3-point plus on the third. And then our buy target for the last contract would be about 5 points away down in the 1303s. Okay, we're looking for our target fill to break even on the first two contracts and take a couple points on the other one down at 05. Sorry about that. That was producing our other video here. We're multitasking. So we don't have the 50 fill yet, but we're anticipating that. And then our target is 1303 1/4 for our last contract, and then our stop will be placed at 1308 1/4. Alright, so we got our fill at 0550. Well, actually, we didn't get our fill at 0550. We'll wait for our 0550 here. K period just opened up also. Okay, there's the 0550. So we are out for break even on the first two, and then on the second one we have 550, 650, 750, 850, 2.75 points on that, and our target is 03 1/4. Let's see, we're in the 04s. Let's see if we can get to the 03s. Our stop now is placed at 1308.25. And we'll see if we can't get that 5 points here at the 03 1/4s. We have 0350 ticked, 03 1/4 ticked, but nothing on the offer, nothing on the ask. We need an ask trade. We need to get somebody to buy back our short. Nothing on the ask. Just 11 on the bid, 0 on the ask. See, 0 on the ask. There's 25 again, 0 on the ask. Let's go. Come on. Somebody buy at 25. Nothing on the ask. Okay, there it is. We have the 03 tick. For some reason, it's not showing up on this chart. I think my memory is maxed out. There's the 03 tick. So 289 traded on the ask. So we are out with 5 points on that. We'll cancel our stop. And we're going to take a break here and produce this video and upload them. And get ready for our evening homework and update our chart books and whatnot. We might still have another good trade before the end of the day, but it certainly turned out to be a balanced day with a significant range from 1270 up to 1310, a 40-point range, with trade being facilitated with the typical Gaussian bell curve.